Hi there, students. A sprog. I've heard the word a sproglet or even a sprogget. A sprog is a humorous word for a child. It's very informal. Now this is British. I think the Aussies use it. I think the Canadians and the Kiwis or New Zealanders use it as well. I don't think the Americans do. So a sprog is a baby, a child. So how many sprogs have you got now, John? 3 sprogs, my God. And you can even use it as a verb to sprog. So my friends Niall and Jane have been sprogging at the rate of a baby a year for the past 8 years. Their house is absolutely packed. Okay, so a sprog, a baby. How many sprogs have you got? How many sprogs are you going to have? Has your wife sprogged yet? Okay, notice this is very informal. Yeah, it's talking a sprog, a kid. So I packed the sprogs off to school. I put my sprog in a pushchair and took her with me. It's getting quite late. The sprogs are going to be hungry. I need to feed them. Okay, so a sprog. Every summer, my friends seem to have a new sprog, a baby, a child. So what a cute little sprog that is in that pushchair. To sprog, to have a baby. Okay, so have they sprogged yet? Okay, so what about the origin of this? Well, the origin of this, I believe, comes from the RAF, from the Royal Air Force, and during the 1940s a sprog was a new recruit. This was a new recruit for the military, and I've heard this word sprog used as a new recruit, a trainee, in many different things. So a trainee policeman, a sprog policeman, a new boss, the sprog boss who's just been brought in to resolve the problem. Yeah, this sprog king that we've got. Yeah, King Charles III. He might be quite an old man, but as a monarch, he's a sprog monarch. He's a trainee. He's new, and that's the idea of the other idea of this sprog. This sprog teacher who's just started teaching here. Okay, so it's a new recruit. This was particularly in the 1940s for a new recruit for the RAF, but it could have been in any military unit. Somebody who's been recently enlisted, but then this sprog bank manager who's just arrived is now making everybody do things in his own way. Okay, so a sprog. Okay, formality, sprog. This is very informal. 2.5, 3 informality max. Remember, this is British, Australian, New Zealand, Canada, but not the US. Or, well, I'd be interested to know if it is used in the US. And as to origin, well, it first appeared with this new recruits for the RAF. Okay, so, but a sprog, a kid. It's quite amazing what sprogs can do when it comes to computers nowadays. Yeah, that's the problem. I wasn't born with computers when I was a sprog, but today's sprogs, they're born with computers and they know exactly what to do. So a child, a baby, a new recruit. So there you go, sprog.